tutorial for learning the song. My name is Mei Si, but you can also substitute it with any name. So it could be my name is, and then some name you sing. So let's go. We're gonna use notes C, A, and F, and maybe E once, but it's very simple. And the score looks like this. My name is Mei Si, I love to sing. My name is Mei Si, I love to sing. I love to dance, I love to sing. I love to dance, I love to sing. So that was all of your score. I'll do it one more time. My name is Mei Si, I love to sing.